Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and I'm coming to you with a brand new build. This is a 2015 Porsche Macan Turbo. Now, years ago, we had a Macan S. This is our first turbo. We're doing a lot of development on it, including a turbo kit and a lot of power modifications. Really going to push the limits of this car and see what it can do. At the end of the day, it's probably going to be the fastest Macan on the planet. So you definitely want to subscribe to this channel and definitely follow along with our progress if you have a Macan. Now, before we jump into some of the modifications we're going to do, let's just go over the car real quick. This is a 2015 Porsche Macan Turbo. It's a 3.6 liter with 400 horsepower stock. Black, it has the air suspension with PASM, sport chrono package, beautiful red interior, which I fell in love with. The car had 18,000 miles on it, one owner, just a very clean example. So really excited to have this as a daily driver that I can add a little more value to the Macan community in terms of personal experience with the car on a more daily fashion. We're going to start with some aesthetic modifications before we get into the power modifications. Now, transforming the look of your Macan is pretty easy to do. We're going to start off with two very common modifications that a lot of Macan owners do. One is our Flat 6 Motorsports Side Markers. We offer them in smoked and clear. This being a black car, we're going to do the smoked, blends a little better. We think that'll look best. And our Flat 6 Motorsports Wheel Spacer Kit. It's going to bring the front wheels out 10 millimeters and the rear out 12 millimeters and give the car a little more aggressive look. So those two things, under $350, your door, easy to install for anybody with any skill level. And we're going to show you how to do that, help transform the look of the car. So let's change clothes real quick and get working on this car. Since we're going to put the wheel spacers on, we're going to need to remove the wheels. That'll give us a little more access up front to take the side markers off and put the Flat 6 Motorsports side markers in. 19 millimeter socket. We're going to go ahead and break loose the wheel bolts on this car, and then we're going to lift it a little bit on the lift here and take these wheels off. Now that we broke loose the bolts and we've lifted it off the ground, we're going to go ahead and remove the wheel bolts. Now, every Flat 6 Motorsports Wheel Spacer Kit comes with a wheel guide hanger bolt, which is very handy. I will show you in just a second. Let's remove this. All you do is insert this, thread it in a little bit. That's going to make it a lot easier to take the wheel on and off. And then simply just pull the wheel away from the car, and that's going to give you access to the wheel. Our wheel spacer kit is designed to have a 10 millimeter spacer in the front, so we're going to pull those out of the box. It's also a good time to clean your calipers and wheels if you're one of those people who really like to have a clean vehicle. Let's go ahead and stick this one on. Just make sure it goes over the hub and is on there nice and good. And then we're just going to reinstall the wheel. And we're going to use the provided extended length wheel bolts. They go on the same way as the others came off. We'll get our final torque specs at the end when we put the car back down to the ground. We'll go ahead and thread these in. You just want to make sure that everything is nice and snug before you set it back down on the ground to do your final torque down. It's the exact same process for each wheel. Again, the 10 millimeter are designed for the front, 12 from the rear. We're going to go and put the rest on. Hit these side markers while we're at it. Just realized we're going to do the side markers too. So we're going to take this wheel back off, put it back on, do the side markers, and we're going to follow suit on the other wheels. All right, now that we've got the wheel back off, we're going to go ahead and take these side markers out. So we've already removed a couple of the Torx bit screws. And we have a video on how to do this a little better step by step, just to show you. Very easy to do. And if you're ever in doubt, all of our Flat 6 Motorsports products will ship with a how-to install guide. So if you get caught up on a step, just use this QR code, scan it with your smartphone, and pull up the install guide. Now we're also going to replace this clear bulb with a DOT approved halogen bulb. That way it glows orange at night and you can keep compliant with laws and regulations. However, most folks won't have a problem with it if it's clear. Okay, so now that we have our spacers on, the bolts are on there snug, we're gonna go ahead and do the final torque. We're gonna use a torque wrench. The spec for all Porsches is 118 foot-pounds of torque. So we're just gonna go in a star pattern and torque it down. Now it's always good to go back over these just one more time, just to make sure everything is on there. I'm gonna go ahead and check the rest.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hard.